If you're looking to brighten up your outdoor space without breaking the bank or dealing with complicated wiring, this solar outdoor lights 10-pack is a great solution. These lights are powered by solar energy and are incredibly easy to install. Just stick them into the ground and let the sun do the rest. They're made from durable stainless steel and are fully waterproof, so you don't have to worry about rain or bad weather damaging them. The cool white light gives off a crisp, modern glow that looks great along walkways, driveways, gardens, and patios. It's a simple way to add safety and style to your yard while being eco-friendly and energy efficient. Each light charges during the day and automatically turns on at night, so there's no need to remember to flip a switch. Also included in this deal is a solar house number with a stake. It's perfect for making sure your address is visible at night. The cool white light matches the pathway lights and adds a sleek, cohesive look to your outdoor decor. Like the pathway lights, it's also solar-powered and waterproof, so it's built to last through the seasons. Right now there's a limited time deal on this bundle, so if you've been thinking about upgrading your outdoor lighting, this is the perfect chance. It's a simple, stylish, and low-maintenance option that makes a big difference in how your home looks and functions at night. Light the way so packages get delivered to your address. If you want to grab this set for yourself and take advantage of the deal while it lasts, check out the link in the description below.